Avatar: The Last Airbender is considered one of the greatest animated series of all time. It has a beginning, middle, and end story arc that runs for 3 seasons. Every character is likable and all developed realistically and naturally. It stays consistent throughout its entire runtime. It has incredible pacing and each episode is packed with content that never feels rushed. The action scenes are quick, exciting, creative, and well staged. The show is filled with mature themes and metaphorical imagery. The writing is excellent. The animation is wonderful. And the 4-part finale is incredibly satisfying and plays out like a movie. It's a show that somehow gets better every time you watch it. And unfortunately, M. Night Shyamalan had to fuck up the possibility of a really great fucking movie.